Example 1. A cup of rice costs 2 naira 50 kobo. How many cups of rice can I buy with 5 naira? So if 2 naira 50 kobo can be used to buy 1 cup, 5 naira can be used to buy how many cups? So in order to find the number of cups we are going to buy with 5 naira, you now divide 5 naira by 2 naira 50 kobo, which is the price of 1 cup. And before you start dividing, change 2 of them to the same unit. 5 naira, change it to kobo, because the other unit, 2 naira 50 kobo, already has kobo. Change 2 of them to kobo, so that 2 of them can be in the same unit. So 5 naira changed to kobo, 1 naira is equal to 100 kobo. So 5 naira should be 100 kobo divide 100 kobo times 5. 100 kobo times 5. That will give you 500 kobo. 500 kobo. Now we come to 2 naira 50 kobo. 2 naira 50 kobo, also change it to kobo. 100 kobo times 2 naira 50 kobo, that will give us 250 kobo. 2 of them are now in the same unit. We can now start dividing. Cancel out the zeros. Now use 5 to divide. 5 divide 25 will give us 5. 5 divide 50 will give us 10. Use 5 to divide again. 5 divide 5 is 1. 5 divide 10 is 2. That means we have 2 cups. 5 naira can be used to buy 2 cups of rice. Question number 2. How much should Solomon save each month for 8 months to buy a radio set costing 2,776 naira? So Solomon wants to buy a radio. The cost of the radio is 2,776 naira. And he has to save some money every month for 8 months. So the question is, how much is he going to save monthly so that at the end of 8 months, he should have saved 2,776 naira. Cost of radio is 2,776 naira. Amount to be saved each month for 8 months. To get the amount he has to save each month for 8 months, we have to divide 2,776 naira by 8. 2,776 naira divided by 8. We now use 8 as our common factor. Use 8 to divide itself is 1. Use 8 to divide 27. That gives us 3. Remainder 3, put it here. 8 divide 37 gives us 4, remainder 5. 8 divide 56 now gives us 7. So you now have 347. What it means is that each month Solomon has to save 347 naira in order to buy the radio set. Example 3. If 5 books cost 21 naira, what is the cost of 7 similar books? 5 books cost 21 naira. Before you get the cost of 7 similar books, you need to get the cost of 1 book. And to get the cost of 1 book, we now divide 21 naira by 5. When we get the cost of 1 book, we now multiply it by 7 to get the cost of 7 similar books. So 5 books cost 21 naira. 1 book cost what? Now divide 21 naira 21 naira, when you change it to kobo, it now becomes 2,100 kobo. Why we are changing it to kobo is so that we can divide it. You cannot start dividing with the point. So we need to remove the point by multiplying by 100 kobo. 21 naira times 100 kobo will now give us 2,100 kobo. We now divide it by 5. Use 5 as our common factor. 5 divided 5 is 1. Into 21 is 4. Remember, 1 into 10 is 2. And into 0 is 0. You now have 420 kobo. Remember, we are dividing in kobo. Now, if one book is 420 kobo, 7 books will now be what? 420 times 7. 420 times 7. And that will give us 2,940. 2,940 kobo. Now we change it back to naira. How do we change it back to naira? 2,940 kobo divided by 100 kobo. When you divide it by 100 kobo, 7 books now gives us 29 naira 40 kobo. 29 naira 40 kobo. That is the cost of 7 books. Example 4. A trader accepts to make installmental payments of 1,500 naira every month for a TV set costing 13,500. Calculate the number of installmental payments. So if he pays 1,500 naira every month, after how many months will he be able to pay 13,500 naira? And to get the number of months that it will take him to finish the payment of 13,500 naira, we now divide 13,500 naira by 1,500. So monthly payment is 1,500 naira. Total payment is 13,500 naira. So number of installmental payments, number of payments, that will now give us 13,500 naira divided by 1,500. Cancel out the zeros. Now use 5 as a common factor. 5 into 15 will give us 3. 5 into 13 will give us 2. Remember, 3 into 35 will now give us 7. Now we use 3 as a common factor. 3 into 3 will give us 1. 3 into 27 will give us 9. So what it means is that number of payments should be 9. Nine payments. You have to pay for 9 months in order to make up 13,500 naira. Number 5. A girl bought 3 packets of biscuits at 75 naira each. If she went to the market with the sum of 300 naira, how much was left? A girl went to the market with 300 naira and she bought 3 packets of biscuits at 75 naira per packet. And the balance is what we are asked to find. So, 1 packet is 75 naira. 3 packets should now give us 75 naira times 3, and that will give us 225 naira. Now the total amount that she went to the market with, total amount is 300 naira. Amount spent is 225 naira. And we are looking for the balance. The balance now should be 300 naira minus 225 naira. So finally, our balance is 75 naira.